Hello children, welcome back to our science online class. Today we will start a new lesson, lesson 9, water as a resource. So open lesson 9 all of you, and first topic is change of state of water. So we will begin the lesson. Water is one of the most important natural resource. Water is very important for us. It is the most important natural resource. And all living things, plants and animals, including human beings, cannot live without water. There are several sources of water in nature. We get water in nature from several sources like seas, rivers, oceans, wells, hand pumps. These all are sources of water. And sea, river, ocean, all these are in nature. By nature we get water. But all the water we do not use for drinking and for other activities. There are some water, there is some sources of water that which we use in our daily use. So let us first see what we read in the previous lesson, change of state of water. In the previous chapter, we learnt that water exists in 3 states. Ice, that is solid, water, that is liquid, and water vapor, that is in gas form. Water exists in 3 states. All the 3 states are interchangeable. They can change. Ice can melt and change into water. Water, when we heat, it can change into water vapor or gas. Same way, when the water evaporates, it cools down, it changes into water back again. And then, if we freeze that water, it changes into ice form. The water can be changed into water vapor by evaporation. Water vapor can be brought back to water by condensation. Water can also be changed into ice by freezing. This you had learnt in the previous chapter. Now, today we will read in this evaporation. We will read first about evaporation. The conversion of water into water vapor upon heating is called evaporation. When the water you take in the pan and you heat it, the water changes into water vapor. This water is changing into water vapor, that is known as evaporation. During evaporation, a liquid changes into gas. During evaporation, when we heat the water, water is liquid, and when we heat it, it changes into gas. Evaporation becomes faster on heating the liquid. This evaporation becomes faster. If we keep the water in the sunlight, it will take time to evaporate. But if we keep it on the gas, then the evaporation will take becomes faster. An example of evaporation in our daily life is drying of clothes. So, one example is there. Your mother washed the clothes and she hangs the clothes on the cloth line to dry. And what happens? From the wet clothes, the water evaporates and the clothes dry due to sunlight. The clothes become hot. The water from that evaporates. So now the activity is given in your book. You will do and observe at home. Let us read how you will do and see the process of evaporation becomes faster on heating. Material what you will need? Water and 2 pans. How you will do? What are you going to do for this method is, you will take water in both pans and one of the pan place on the gas burner, and place the other pan in the sunlight. Heat the pan kept on the gas burner for some time and observe. What observation you will get? After heating the water in the pan on the gas, after some time water begins to heat up and finally starts to boil. The steam coming out from it and the volume of water in the pan reduces at a faster speed than the other pan kept in the sun. The pan you kept in the sun, from that the water evaporates slowly. But the pan you kept on the gas, from that the water will evaporate faster. So now conclusion, the result what you will get. This shows that evaporation becomes faster on heating. Okay children, till here for today. Read the lesson and understand what is evaporation and how evaporation becomes faster on heating. And I am doing this lesson, but you keep preparing for your half-yearly exam, because lesson 3, 4 and 5 is for your half-yearly exam. So keep preparing that also side by side and study well and do the test well. Okay, thank you.